Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, especially about the 2023 presidential election in Nigeria. And I'm making this video and I want you to help make it viral. This video, I'm making it because it is not getting the required attention it needs, and time is running out. That is why I plead with you that when you watch this video, share it until it goes viral, so that President Muhammad Buhari, the Nigerian Judicial Council, NJC, and all those who matters should see it and ensure that what this video is all about is allowed to flourish, is allowed to become the norm in this past election and the future elections. I'm talking about the call for the live broadcast of court proceedings on the 2023 presidential election in particular. Thank you for joining me. And if you are new to my channel, you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. Because when you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, I call this a national emergency because it's an issue that ought to be addressed and it's not getting the required media traction that it deserves. And it is at the root of the future of Nigeria, at the root of the final closure of the 2023 presidential election in particular. Now, the Nigerian Bar Association has called for live broadcast of court hearings on the election petition forwarded by Alhaji Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party and Peter Obi of the Labour Party, among others. Now, the NBA made a call in a petition, in a communique they held recently. Okay? They call that court hearings on election petitions across the country, particularly the presidential election cases, should be transmitted and broadcast live. The NBA made this call in a communique issued at the end of its National Executive Committee meeting held in Birnin Kebbi State recently. The communique, jointly signed by Nigerian Bar Association President Yakubu Mekao and its General Secretary Adeshina Adebute, was released recently. He said, with the confidence of Nigerians in the judiciary at its lowest ebb, broadcasting the hearing of election petitions live will help to regain lost public trust. In view of the fact that the public perception of the judiciary plays a key role in the public acceptance of its decision, and to help boost the confidence of the public in the judiciary, which is currently at an all-time low, INEC, upon the proposal by the President, unanimously passed the resolution calling for live broadcast of the proceedings of the election petition courts and tribunals, particularly for the presidential election, by volunteering media houses. The communique read in parts. Now, this is very interesting that even lawyers, senior lawyers, acknowledge that Nigerians have lost confidence in the judiciary because of recent rulings by the courts which call to question the integrity, the the uh, the integrity, the transparency, and otherwise in the judicial arm of government. In fact, a former Nigerian Bar Association president, Olisawa, condemned recent decisions of the Supreme Court, which he said made the law unpredictable and eroded public confidence. What Abakoba was that if it were when judiciary could be trusted in Nigeria, that you can factor in laws about a particular issue and come up exactly with the likely outcome, because these are judgments that will be based on law and precedents that have been set. But he said no. The way things are going now, the outcome of election petition is unpredictable. Why is it unpredictable? Because you cannot know what they will come up with. And he cited the example of a presidential aspirant, the Senate President, Ahmed, who contested for the presidential ticket of the APC. And eventually, after he lost there, he emerged as the senatorial candidate of the same APC, when this is against the Electoral Act. And he started a situation in Imo State where a candidate who came fourth position eventually emerged the governor of a state through the instrumentality of the Supreme Court ruling. Now, these are some of the things that have made Nigerians to lose confidence in the judiciary. That is why many people are taking it as a given that going to court is a waste of time. And the whole thing is not helped by the attitude of the beneficiaries of the alleged rigged election in 2023, who brazenly tell their opponents to go to court. And the way they say it, they are saying it with the certainty that they know that when they go to court, they are not going to get justice. They make it appear as if they have the judges in their pockets, like so many nickels and diamonds, like they will say in The Godfather. That is why it is important that Nigerians support the NBA in what they are requesting for. And because I know that if Nigerians can push this matter, the NJC, the judiciary, have no choice but to ensure that the election petition tribunal, especially the presidential election petition tribunal, is broadcast live for Nigerians. Like they said, it will enhance transparency. It will also put the justices themselves on trial, because they will now see that the rest of the world is watching them. So that they will know that there are consequences if they go against the spirits and tenets of the law. If they fail to deliver justice that is glaring, there will be consequences. We all know, at least we have heard it, when the former governor of Cross River State, Donald Duke, told Nigerians that some of the judges who delivered judgment in which somebody who came forth eventually was declared the governor of a state. And the rightful governor who was declared winner, was removed from office. He said that the judges that did that, they were denied visa to enter United States. If Donald Duke had not told us, we wouldn't have known about it. But it is a reminder to the justices at whatever level, in the appeal court, at the tribunal level, that they should deliver justice to Nigerians who seek justice. They should show Nigerians that Nigerian judicial is not a cash and carry judicial, that they are men of honor, men of integrity, who will stand for truth, no matter whose ox is God. That is true. Many Nigerians have lost confidence in the judiciary, but broadcasting the proceedings of the courts, presidential election tribunal, broadcasting it live will increase the confidence of Nigerians in the judiciary. It will do a lot of good for the image of the judiciary and for the image of our democracy. Already, such a practice is not new. In Ghana, in Kenya, and other countries, election petition tribunals are broadcast live, especially the contentious presidential election. So Nigerians should put pressure on President Muhammadu Buhari and the NJC to give the approval for that. Already, Buhari claimed that he wants to conduct free and fair election, that will be his legacy as he was living. But the outcome of the election, an election that he's pretended over, has been described as a sham by the New York Times, by the international media. So the only legacy he has now left in terms of election transparency is to ensure that the proceedings of the court on the election petitions, presidential election petitions, that was filed by Peter Obi of the Labour Party, Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, and others, are televised live. That's the only way he can leave the presidency with his head held high. Because right now, everybody sees him as a very partisan president who has conducted the worst election Nigeria has ever seen. They may be telling him that he did a fantastic job. That is only because that is what he wants to hear. If you want to hear the real thing, he should go and read The Economist of London. Buhari should go and read the Washington Post. Buhari should go and listen to the CNN. Buhari should go and listen to the Al Jazeera. He should listen to the international community, including the observers. They considered what he did a sham. That is why the President of the United States, Joe Biden, the leader of the free world, has refused to congratulate the beneficiary of the outcome of the sham election held in Nigeria. So that is what he has to do. I'm not the one that call it sham election. The Washington Post call it that. The Economist call it that. And several other international observers, that's what they call it. But the president has an opportunity to correct that. and the Nigerian Judicial Council has the opportunity to redeem themselves, because right now the image of the judiciary is in purpose, and only a live broadcast of the presidential election petition in this country will redeem the image of the judiciary and redeem the image of President Muhammad Buhari, who promised to conduct the best election, transparent election, as one of his legacies, but which ended up becoming classified as a sham by the international media. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like this video, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. And share it widely, because we have to put pressure on the system to broadcast the presidential election petition tribunal live to all Nigerians, just as Nigerian Bar Association is demanding. Let's join hands with NBA and see that this is done. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.